Hi friends, welcome to penhouse.in. In today's video, we are going to make a short review on Click Calligraphy pen set. And this is an English script. And here comes the sections, which is content given here. One calligraphy pen, and there are three sections with calligraphy nibs, and these are the width size. And this is a 0.5 mm, 1 mm, 1.5 mm, and 2 mm. And here comes the model number 2. And when I'm taking this out, and here this is the tray. In the tray only the pens were set, and this is very useful to maintain your grip sections and the cartridges carefully. And this is violet color plastic finish one. And in the trim set there is a sharp design, which is the top button. And in the clip portion, the brand's name click was engraved, and this round surface in which you can hold your pens easily to any holders. And there is a thread portion here. The opening and the closing caps process is a thread type 1. And here comes the number 1 nib. This is number 1 nib, and this is having a very good soft and smooth finished grip portion in which you can hold easily. And this basic set is for importantly for school going children's, means little one can hold this easily, as the grip portion also very tiny. And now this is number 2 nib, and here comes the number 3 nib, and this is number 4. And here the cartridges. The ink filling system here is cartridge converter. You can easily fill the ink in the cartridges or converters also. The process is so simple. So for that you have to push this area, the piston will move forward, and you can dip in the ink and you can pull it back. The ink will be filled up here. And otherwise you can use the cartridges separately for each grip portion, which is given here. And let me going to show the writing sample. For today's writing, I'm going to use our Penhouse emerald green ink. This is so smooth. If you fill the ink properly, you can have a better flow. And here I'm just dipping and writing, not fixing and all. So here comes the number 2 nib. Yeah. And for better calligraphy writing videos, you can refer our YouTube channel. So we are having a very interesting calligraphy writing videos. And for beginners, this one is a exact calligraphy set in reasonable price. Okay, yeah. Then if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can contact us in the WhatsApp, or else you can for quick response you can call us. You can find our mobile number in our pennows.in site itself. And thanks for watching this video. Thank you.